Morning, diverse beauties. So I'm really excited because today we're gonna be trying that girl routine. Now, if you guys don't know, that girl routine, or that girl in general, is basically a girl or someone who is really into, like, you know, healthy lifestyle. They kind of have their life put together in a way. So they're all about, you know, the healthy lifestyle, working out, or just being active in general, having a productive morning by cleaning their room and keeping things very organized and, you know, clean and put together. They also, of course, you know, expand their knowledge and try to be motivated by writing down their plans. So of course I thought I had to try it out. And by the way, if this is like, you know, if you're wondering like, girl, what's wrong with your lips, it's because I just got lip fillers and they're really like swollen and puffy right now. So yeah, I'm trying to, you know, it's only been a day, so I'm trying to like stay positive. But yeah, so like, you know, this is the first video that you're watching from my channel. I usually don't look like this, okay? Now, each morning, usually that girl starts with cleaning their bed, putting their sheets together, cleaning their room, keeping it all neat and clean for the day. And then, of course, after that, they like to kind of drink some water with some lemon. And of course, that's what I did. Now, personally, I do not like drinking water with lemon. I used to be obsessed with it back in the days, but these days I notice it's just not my thing anymore. Usually they start off with having, like, you know, some water, and then of course after that they work out. But right now I am so hungry, like I don't think I can work out before eating breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some breakfast. Now, I do want to try like copying some photos that I saw online. I did save a couple pictures on my Pinterest, so I'll show you guys kind of my inspirations, but I'm gonna give it a try. And if they turned out well, then you'll definitely see them on my Instagram as well as at the end of this video. But yeah, I'm really excited. Let's go eat some breakfast because I am starving. Now, one thing that I want you guys to know is that I feel like, you know, that girl definitely seems like she got everything put together. She seems like she has the perfect life. You know, she's motivated, she works out, she's active, she does self-care, she's skinny, all of this stuff. But let's be real, like social media is just, it's not real, it's not realistic. Now, there's a lot of things that we put on social media that we purposely plan so that it looks good for our photos or for our TikTok or whatever social media that we use. So that's something that you have to keep in mind, is that whenever you see those videos of that girl, like, just because they have their life put together in those 15-second clips or in that one photo doesn't mean that they have the perfect life or that their life is like that all the time. So keep that in mind whenever you're, like, you know, trying to get motivation from that girl. I feel like there's definitely a lot of positivity behind that girl image, just because it's very motivating, it's very positive vibes, and I really like it. And of course it looks good, and you know, it definitely motivates you to be like a better person. But at the same time, like, if you feel like you're not reaching that expectation, that doesn't mean that you're like a failure or that like you're a terrible person or that you can't be that girl. Because keep that in mind if you guys are like, you know, like, oh my god, why is my photo not looking like this, or why don't I look like her, or why don't I look like him. It's just, everyone is different, so keep that in mind. So this is like my little setup that I'm doing over here for my photo, and I think it looks really good, especially with like the clear glasses and all that stuff.
So glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I saw your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
Just made my food. Ta-da! It's not as pretty as like the photos, but that's okay because it looks delicious. I'm excited. So I basically have a wheat toast or wheat muffin bread with some avocado on top, and then I put some of the everything bagel seasoning, and then some scrambled egg that has spinach and some like deli meat pieces inside. So yeah, and then I have my beautiful strawberries. And I'm gonna just relax a little bit, probably figure out what else I'm doing for other videos and enjoy this food. I feel like I'm really into like this aesthetic, like this that girl look. Like I was looking on Pinterest and like TikTok, and a lot of the food that they eat is pretty much similar foods that I already eat for breakfast, and they are very healthy, very like, you know, keeping your energy up, like working out, and I really like that. And that's something that I really need too, just because my, you know, my birthday's coming around, and also like I have not worked out in over 2 years. Well, no, that's a lie. I've worked out like maybe once or twice last year, and that's like pretty much it. So I feel like this would be really good for me. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna work out. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy just because I don't want to throw up. And I'm gonna take a couple of photos also. I think the ones that I'm kind of looking at are the ones that have like the computer and like the food next to the computer, and it's like you're motivated, you're working, you're a hard boss while, you know, giving yourself the nutrients that you need. So that's really exciting, so let's do that. It's gonna be my little setup. So this is from the previous photos. I don't think I need that anymore. I have my water, of course, and I have my computer. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put it like here next to the computer, and then take like a photo on an angle, and it will look really pretty. So I just had my breakfast. I think I'm gonna do like a simple yoga workout just because I don't want to, like, you know, regret my breakfast. I noticed that a lot of that girls, they all have really cute like workout outfits. Usually it's like a bra, workout bra with like really pretty workout, you know, leggings or something like that. I don't got that, so we're gonna just work with what we got and hope for the best, and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is what I have set up. Yeah, I don't know how I feel. I don't think it looks as pretty as like in the photos that I seen on Pinterest and stuff. But by the way, these shoes I haven't worn in over a year, and they're clean, so do not mind that they're on my bed. I know that's kind of gross, but they're clean, so yeah. And yeah, so let's work out. I'm gonna take a couple photos and then time to work out.
But you can't have a fire with no spark. Feel like I'm out and shooting in the dark, and I don't know why I'm
my, you know, my workout all set. I'm gonna just do a Blogilates workout, and this one is her 10-minute fat burning cardio with no equipment because I don't really have any equipment. So yeah, let's hope this is not gonna kill me. And luckily it's only 10 minutes. I definitely need to work out for like an hour. I used to work out for 2 hours literally all the time, but not anymore. So this is why my workout clothes are tight on me. I just finished working out, and like, do you see how red my face is and how sweaty I am? Like, that was only a 10-minute workout and it was brutal. I'm actually really happy though, because it's the first time I've worked out in like years, and this is a good like way to start and be motivated and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up, get all the sweat off, clean up, and I'll be back. so tired. Like, I honestly give that girl props because working out in the mornings kill me, okay? I usually, like, when I did work out, I would work out at night just because I felt like it was better. It was more effective for my schedule, and just, you know, working out, taking a shower, and then going to sleep, it was like perfect for me. But yeah, I just made myself some green tea latte, and ooh, my hair is looking like a hot mess. Okay. Why didn't you tell me? And then I have this mask, and this one is the Wishful Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask. I've never tried a mask from this brand before, so I'm really excited to give it a try. And this is supposed to give you instant hydration, softer skin, dewy glow, and soothing effect. And then I'm also going to take my vitamins because I haven't taken them yet. I used the one from Care of, and so far it has been working really well for me. I saw like a lot of people using Care of on YouTube, and I thought, why not give it a try? So I just bought it myself. So yeah, I really like it so far, and it's more effective for me just because I'm really bad at taking vitamins or just pills in general. So yeah, this is a good option for me. So here's my, it's my I'm being healthy look. So I'm gonna take a couple photos with those, and then I'm gonna apply it and, like, be productive. And then I'm also gonna do some planning. I have my planner and I have this gold book. I know usually the 5-year plan is a very popular book, but I've never, looked into it, and I do want to check it out in the future for sure. But for now, I'm just gonna use my books that I have. So let's get some cute photos and some pampering, some self-care, and I'll show you guys. I just finished doing my makeup. It's very simple. I have to fix my hair later before I head out, but I'm actually gonna go grocery shopping today, which is pretty nice because I'm really motivated after doing this whole that girl routine. I'm so motivated to do better, be more productive in the mornings. Of course, I'm not gonna be this productive every day. Gotta be realistic, but I really like the idea of just getting up and doing things like cleaning and getting a workout and stuff. I think I'll definitely do workouts at night instead of in the morning, just because I'm really tired after doing that workout and it was only 10 minutes. So that's pretty much it for my That Girl routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, what do you think of this whole that girl trend, healthy motivation, motivated lifestyle. Let me know, that'd be exciting to know. And of course, if you guys enjoy these type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, go hit me up on my Insta and TikTok. I usually do a lot of reviews and stuff on my TikTok, so go check it out. And of course, share this video with your friends and family because it really helps me with the algorithm. I love you, diverse beauties, and take care of your health.
Cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.